Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I'm going to make a nice sweet potato and chickpea recipe. It's a perfect recipe that you can use for a side dish. So my ingredients are carrots, sweet potatoes, chickpeas, olive oil, medium curry powder, cumin and turmeric. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do now is I've just put my oven on 150 degrees for it to preheat. So now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to peel and chop the carrots and the sweet potatoes. So I'm going to chop them into nice small cubes. So there I have my sweet potato and carrots all chopped into little cubes. So next thing I'm going to do now is start making the flavouring. So I'm just going to take a glass and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in. And then I'm going to add in some turmeric, cumin, and also medium curry powder. And then give that a mix around together. So now we're ready to add the sweet potatoes, carrots and chickpeas into our roasting tray. And the carrots. So now we're just going to mix these around together, and then we're going to add in the flavouring on top. So just pour it so it's nice and evenly spread all over. And then give another good mix around. And then we're going to put this in the preheated oven for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. So I'm just going to keep on taking it out and giving it a stir after every 10 minutes. So now it's ready for the oven. So now I've just taken it out of the oven after 10 minutes of cooking. So I'm just giving it a stir around. So you can see that it's starting to change colour. So it's cooking nicely. So now I'm going to put it back in the oven. It's going to cook for another, say maybe 20 to 30 minutes until everything is nice and soft. So I will take it back out in another 10 minutes to give it another stir. So now I've just taken it out after 35 minutes of cooking in the oven. So we're just going to check to make sure it's done. So the sweet potato, I can put my fork through so it's nice and soft. And the carrot also I can put my fork through. So they're nice and crunchy. So now it's all ready. All I have to do up is serve. And so there we have a really delicious and healthy sweet potato and chickpea recipe. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching everybody. Have a lovely day.